Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another healthcare non-phone work from home job lead for you. Before we dive into it, just note that I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I don't have any additional information other than what is posted in the job description. And of course, if you're interested in applying, I always include the links in the YouTube description box below the video. But today's job lead is from the company iMedView. Now, they are hiring a medical records coordinator. I do want to say this says remote, and it is a full-time position. I even hit the apply button and looked where you submit your application. There is nothing that indicates that this is only for United States or only for select locations. So do with that information what you will. I am not exactly sure if they are hiring outside of the United States. But this is a completely non-phone healthcare position. They are a company that provides liability and workers' compensations examinations with the focus on small town connections. So they are looking for candidates that have some kind of a background in medical terminology, and you can organize medical records and be extremely detailed. They are looking for someone to spend a large portion of their day using Adobe Acrobat, which is like the PDF reader, to edit the reports as PDF files, which requires some technical skill, they say. You'll be reviewing medical records reports, confirming the accuracy of the medical content in the report. You'll review the medical report and confirm the accuracy of the grammar, and I assume this is where the editing comes into play. You'll follow up with physicians about reports if needed, and of course, you'll communicate special requests and instructions between physicians, law firms, and insurance companies. They are not requiring any kind of a college degree. It says that they want somebody who has some kind of medical office or customer service experience, someone who has experience using Adobe Acrobat and Microsoft Office. That's going to be things like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, the ability to work in templates, and not afraid to learn new technology and software. Now, it does say their staff is working completely from home as their offices remain closed. They are paying anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $22 an hour for this position. And they also include a benefit package that includes health, dental, paid time off, and 401k. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, please feel free to leave anything in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.